Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Aeroskin LightShield from AVS on this 2019 new body style Chevy Silverado. Let's go and get started. All right, now before we get into this, prep is very important. The tape that we're using is made to stick to automotive paint. So what we need to do is anything that's not automotive paint, we need to have off of here. So any kind of wax residue, any kind of dirt. I've already gone ahead and washed down the front end of the truck. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the area that we're gonna be sticking the bug shield to with isopropyl alcohol. All right, with this all prepped, now we can go ahead and turn our attention to the light in the bug shield. So we're going to take one of our included alcohol prep pads, we're going to open that up, and we're going to clean off the surface that the light bar is going to stick to. What that does is it removes any kind of residue or debris that would have collected on it during shipping or in manufacturing. Now, once that alcohol is dried, we're going to go ahead and get our adhesive prep kit, open that up, and then apply the adhesive prep to the surface that the light bar is going to stick to. And now we're going to let that dry. Okay, I've already gone ahead and untangled my wire. I've also allowed the light bar to lay flat. You want to make sure you do that before you proceed. Now I'm going to go ahead and feed this through the small hole at the end. And now we can proceed with installing the light strip. What we're going to do is peel back just a couple of inches of the red protector on each side, then bring it up and set it in place. To set this in place, go ahead and pull the wire through and then slowly start pulling your protector away and put pressure on the bug shield to make good adhesion. Now, when you're dry fitting, do keep in mind on the bottom side, we do have a break in the tape. That is where the wire is going to be going through. Okay, for right now, I've got a piece of tape holding the wire in place where it's going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this over, line it up to the lines on the truck. And next, I'm going to take a little black Sharpie and make a mark on the paint, just a little spot, to locate where the wires are coming out on the hood. All right, now I've gone ahead and raised the hood. Using one of our alcohol prep pads, I'm going to find my little dot and I'm going to wipe that whole surface inside down. And we can go ahead and put our hood back down. Okay, so here's how the hood shield is going to sit on the hood. Let me flip that over and show you how I've pulled the tape away to get everything started. All the places where I've got the tape pulled away is pulled out away from the center of the shield. That way I can pull this and work it from the center to the outside edge over here. And on the opposite side, I've also got this piece pulled and started as well. So I'm going to flip this over and get it lined up on the hood with the lines of the truck. And I'm going to go ahead and bear down and get that set in place. And line up these sides over here. Get them started. And now I can go ahead and work from the center out. I'll peel away the tape protector and apply pressure as I go. All right, now go back and just make sure everything is press down to get proper adhesion. All right, now we can go ahead and install our foam tab. Just peel away the adhesive protector and then set it right over top of the wire. Just like so. Well, I went ahead and ran the wires and tied them all out of the way to make sure it didn't get pinched when I open and close the hood. Now you can wire it wherever you want to wire it to. For the sake of this video, I went ahead and extended the wires a little bit, ran to the fuse box, went to the number 3 fuse that went to the headlights for the power, and also grounded it to the body of the truck. That way I'm always running whenever it's driving down the road, or it also works when I lock and unlock the doors. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.